Here with another daily upload of Pixel Car Racer. We are gonna be racing. We're gonna be doing all them cool things. Let's just start the game quick, and let's see. Guys, I have a new car. If you didn't know, it's called Demon. I just sold the Ford Fiesta. Let's go to garage. Here she is. I just added a twin turbo to this baby. Wait, I gotta do something quick. Oh, fudge. Hyper Demon. I only got 2 rounds, guys. Shame for me. You see me? I'm not the only one with the money here. I don't always have money, but I'll find something that can help me get a lot of money. No. Forgot to turn down shifting expert. Here we are. Not an ad. Yeah, so guys, let's get back into the action. Stretch your fingers out. She got a twin turbo. She got another air filter. Yeah, watch how slow she is, even with the flippin' twin turbo, guys. Oh, what the? Wait, guys, I need to do something quick. You do know, I need to show you something quick. Gonna find a car, just a car. Let's just find a normal car that is just driving on the road alone, and then you're gonna see what I'm gonna do, guys. Just want to find a normal one, not a car. I think I might find a car over here. We need to find a car soon. Oh, here we are. Come here, car. There's something I need to do with you here, car. Now this is driving normally this way. I can just press this hazards. The hazards. Just wait 1 sec. There we go. And automatically in a race. How sick is that? I'm racing with a guy called Shadow. Man, I got a twin turbo in my engine. Oh, yeah, the guys are also starting a race. Only inches. See how I'm winning? Hyper. No, sorry, the guy will never catch up with me. Oh, but here comes the car. See, he stood no chance against me. Oh, let's go to drag races. Since you heard how she feels. I kinda wanna go to tournament. Oh, I have to unlock it. Go! Nice ride, Hyper. Cool. Cool, man. I'll go for the full start.
Hi guys, we have a 3D spinner for your phone. You can control it by moving the icon. 3D transition effects make operating the phone smoother. Use gestures to hide apps and protect your phone privacy. The 3D clock and weather widget give the phone that special tech style. Like this, download CM Launcher 3D to get this amazing theme.
I don't want that. Just wait for him to heat his tires. I'm not gonna heat mine. Oh, what the heck? Okay. See, that's why you should always warm up your tires in this game. Yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. Peace out, see you later.